Welcome to another edition of Thailand Treads. This time we're at the Baan Resort. The Baan Resort is situated at the southern end of Patong Beach Road. The hotel rooms are all situated around this lovely central pool. At this end we have a children's paddling pool, whilst at the other end we have a nice jacuzzi. Little jets situated all around the end of the pool, so you can have a nice little water massage while you're in there. Lots of lovely artwork, plenty of palm trees around the pool giving it a lovely ambience. So you can see the water jets there at that end. Also at this end is the restaurant. It's not a very high-rise hotel. It's probably about 1, 2, 3, 4 floors. The restaurant is situated here at the far end of the pool. Open for breakfast. Breakfast is included in many of the room rates. And it does have an egg station where you can have your eggs your way. There's not a great deal of sun lounges around, but when I was there in the low season, as you can see, there was plenty of availability. The rooms were spacious, comfortable, and the air conditioning was not noisy at all, and a decent bathroom. I would recommend staying at the Baan Resort. Please check it out. Thank you for watching.